everyone, my name is Ritika Devender, and today I am going to just have a talk with you guys. So, I have written a quote which goes like this: Sprinkle some fairy dust to bring magic to your life. So, sprinkle some fairy dust. It just means live through your heart, and every day will be full of excitement. So nowadays we are living a life where we go to work every day, do a job to support our families, to earn money for ourselves, and so on. The life goes like this, and we we are, our days are fixed. This from this time to this time we have to do this, from this time to this time we have to do that. So our days are fixed, and we keep on thinking our days are going to be same, except weekends, of course. But those weekdays where we work and where we have fixed timings for doing things or work, we are very very particular that it's all going to be same, all days are same. But this thought process keeps on developing into a full reality, because if we think that our days are going to be same from this time to this time, we keep ourselves very rigid to our work. I'm not saying don't do work, of course office timings are going to be very very rigid, but you can make other things flexible by, like, maybe if you don't want to do exercise one day, don't do it. Do something which makes you happy. You can, it can be a small thing like baking a cake, or like going out and having a free walk, or tasting different street foods. So you can take day off, like from exercise, or choose to do something different, if you want. Because of course we live a life where we have scheduled everything, from exercise to eating food, to having to eating food, to doing work. Everything is very very rigid and scheduled. So sometimes it's good to break those rules and break that schedule and do whatever makes you happy. This will really help in changing your days into exciting, some sort of excitement. Because do when you will start to become flexible with your schedule, it will really help in changing yourself as well. You will start to see things from different perspective. You will open your heart, try to live through your heart, and it really really means a lot, because I have been someone like that as well. I used to be very rigid and very inflexible when it comes to things. If I need to do homework at this time to this time, I will do it, whatever happens. But now I have become a little flexible with things from my life. Of course you should carry a schedule with you, but it's okay sometimes to break that schedule and do something which really excites you, which really makes you happy from your inner side. So now I have become a person who sometimes takes off from doing regular things. Like if I wanted, I have to do exercise from 6 to 7 p.m. Maybe someday I am not really really very very and I'm not very motivated to do that. I feel a little tired, so I will skip that and do something which will make me happy. And it can be watching a video on YouTube as well. So it doesn't have to be very very big. It can be anything, from watching TV, watching cartoons, watching your favorite YouTube videos, anything. So yeah, life is just a simple story, guys, whose chapters are all about being happy. Happiness is what matters the most in our lives. Life is all about being happy. Of course, we work, we earn, we live, everyone wants to live a luxurious life. Nobody wants to, stay back and not live a king sized or queen sized life, but we all want to live. Even I am a person who likes to who really wants to earn money and live a good life. So, but let's be honest, we can't be always very motivated, very rigid, or we sometimes we humans feel a little emotional, sentimental as well. So what I mean to say is, stay flexible with your schedule. If someday you don't wish to do a certain thing, skip it. It's okay. It's okay to do that, because we all are humans. We cannot be always 100% motivated all the time. It's not possible. It's impossible for a human being to do so. Every human feels up and downs in their life, and we can't 100% ignore them and focus on our work. It is going to impact our daily schedule, our daily work. So sometimes it's okay to take a rest. It's okay to give time to yourself, pamper yourself, and make yourself happy. The most important thing is to make yourself happy. Okay guys, so thank you for listening to my talk, and thank you to listening listening to my views, and I'm sorry for stumbling in between, and thanks for watching my video. Thank you guys.